What's up guys, welcome to my channel. The complete guide to cleaning mechanical keyboard and how to remove them safely. What causes a dirty keyboard in the first place? Dirty keyboards are a common problem for laptop and desktop. Dirt settles on the keyboard and accumulates over time. There are a few reasons why this occurs. There are many ways to clean a dirty keyboard. One of them is by using water and dishwashing soap. The other way is by using a vacuum cleaner or compressed air duster. We're going to use the dishwashing soap method today. The first step would be to remove the keycaps on your keyboard using keycap remover tool. As you can see, dust, hair, fur and other things build up below your keycaps. Put the keycaps into a container with water and dishwashing soap. Let it settle for a while, then proceed to the next step. We will now begin brushing the keyboard to remove the dust. Do this thoroughly until all dust is removed. If you're enjoying the video, please like, subscribe to my channel and even share it to your friends. Begin spraying some alcohol or multi-purpose cleaner, then wipe it off with clean cloth. Do this until all dust marks are removed. Let's now dry the keycaps using a clean cloth. After all of this, isn't now time to put back the keycaps on the keyboard. This is the hardest and one of the most confusing part of the process, so take your time to do it. That's it guys, we've successfully cleaned our mechanical keyboard. Thank you for watching my keyboard cleaning guide. Again, thank you for watching my keyboard cleaning guide. Peace out, have fun.